Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE T10 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. Then just tap to open the app and click Enable in Settings. Here click on the green Apple keyboard switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's go, for example, to check the new keyboard to our search. And we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.